This is the Raspberry Pi car mount. It is a specific design for the purpose of mounting a monitor single board computer combo inside of a car. It uses a 3D printed base specifically designed for a generic Raspberry Pi monitor, Raspberry Pi, and tablet cup holder mount to be integrated together. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Here I will demonstrate the assembly. The Raspberry Pi is attached to the 3D printed base with 4 standoffs as shown. As you will see later in the video, the orientation of the Raspberry Pi, along with its placement on the base plate, was carefully designed to fit together in the best way possible. The idea was to have a setup where I could attach and detach the wires without having to mess up the assembly. From there we will bolt on the monitor using its 4 mounting holes. The key here is to have the HDMI ports facing outward so that the wires are easy to attach. Once all the wires are in place, it's ready to put in the car. You're going to need to mount the assembly into the tablet cup holder mount and set up the wiring to best suit your vehicle. Following clips will show you how to set it up for a car similar to an 05 RSX or a Honda Civic. As you can see, the tablet holder handles the monitor setup perfectly. With the way it's set up here, I've had zero issues with visibility, stability, or wiring. I think you'll find that it works pretty similar as long as you're not in a dune buggy. From here, I'm just going to let you guys take a look at how it's set up. This is the final product. I'm going to show you how it looks in my car, how it's set up. Just know that I've had zero issues with the 3D print. It's worked perfectly so far. For a better description and links to the parts list and 3D files, check out the instructables in the description. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to support the channel. Thanks.